Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Yes, my mic is on. Check there. No recap yesterday, but here's the results from yesterday, 140, and then I guess Tuesday I did do a recap, so $700 day. Tuesday, yesterday 140. Small green day yesterday. Yesterday felt really slow. I got chopped around and was red, then made it green. I think the most I was up was $250 and then finished 150. And then today, very clean trading today. I was in a little bit heavier on one of the moves. So was trying to get that big extension, big curl back up. Didn't happen, but I was able to capitalize and grab my profit there. So clean trading on my end. Guys, like always, if you like these recaps, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. I do these almost every day, depending on how the day goes. Yesterday was pretty scratchy even, so I didn't want to do this for an hour just to show a $140 day, you know. But today, I mean, decent day. So make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you guys want to see me trade live every morning. Right here on YouTube or on TradeCaster.com. You can start on YouTube and just say hi so I can start recognizing you and I know you. And you can just hang out in there. I did mention last time I was doing a giveaway when I reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and that's still up. I just have to figure out exactly how to do it because I know that if I do it off of my subscribers, not all of you guys are watching this video, and I know I probably have subscribers on there from I have no idea when, maybe before trading or whatever. So I don't want to sit here and say, hey, this subscriber won it, and then like don't hear back from them for 3 days, and then another one, you know, give it to somebody else and don't hear back. So I gotta figure out a way how to do it if it's like a video and everybody comments or likes it, and then find a system that can search for it. So if anybody knows how they do that or if know that, then let me know. If there's a website that does it, let me know. But other than that, my word's still out there. Somebody else will get a free course when I reach to 1,000 subscribers. Um, if you guys have any questions on the course, just comment them down below. Go to my Discord, ask me there. Go to my Instagram, ask me there. If it's personal, I can help you guys out. But enough of that. Streaming is free. Course is in the link below. Any questions, comment them below. Like the video, and let's get to the recap because I am rambling a lot, and I don't want you guys to just hear me ramble. I want you to see my days, why I'm trading them. So today I traded 4 tickers, and I was green on all 4 tickers, even though really 3 of them were my main winners, mostly APRN. But I think I started with NEXI was the #1 stock that I was trading. So let me see if I can actually show my trades real quick. Okay, so NEXI, one of the top gappers this morning. There was really nothing this morning. NEXI was one and Pixie was one, which I took a trade on NEXI and that was it. So on NEXI, market opened up. We kind of like made this big push and kind of sold off a little bit. Going into the market, I want to see the stock holding VWAP. I want to see the stock holding the majority of this move. So this is holding its move, but it's under VWAP, you know, and it's under the ADMA on the 5. So that already is like, I don't like it the best, but it might be what we have to figure it out. So waiting to see these pops, pulls back, and then pops again, pulls back. Trying to get some entries down here. Got a 154 fill. Almost the bottom of that candle by 1 penny, but that candle only made it to 157. So I got pretty much out straight even on that trade. Was looking for the curl through 155. So kind of this pivot here on pre-market. Got rejected here. See how we broke it but never closed above it. This time we did. I wanted to see that 155 start curling up, and then my trade would have been up to 165 there. Didn't work out. Stopped out. Break even. Basically $7 profit. I don't know how much I was up on this one. I don't think I was up $100 on it, but you know, it's still break even trade. Next trade is going to be ISEE. ISEE. Now this one was a disappointment. That was not it. That was 2 days ago. This one was a disappointment. And the reason why is because the second, even pre-market on today, I was this was not a gapper by at all. As you can see, it just went sideways. But I was like, you know what? I don't see a lot of things moving, so let me search through old stocks and see which one's still holding its move, which one's still under highs, which one still has room on the daily to go. And I looked at this one, I was like, you know what? This one might be interesting. If this one can keep this momentum, keep this lows here, our high is like $16, 15.96 it was. I was like, we might be looking at $16 on this stock and maybe a little higher. The daily has room to like $19. This thing can go. And market opens, instantly goes green, 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 and I'm just looking at the stock and I'm waiting for the stock to pull back. I am waiting for this pullback, for this bigger pullback, for this bigger pullback, for this bigger pullback. Like, right, I wanted to pull back and then break out of here, pull back here, break out of here, pull back here, break out of here, and nothing. This stock was on the 5 minute, was green candle behind green candle behind green candle behind green candle. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. That's 30 minutes of straight going up, and it just wouldn't pull back. And I knew this thing could go. I knew this thing had room. I just could not find my entry, and sometimes that's part of day trading. Even though you like the stock, you like the setups, or even though you like the stock and you see the potential, you may not get a trade. You may not get a setup. Yeah, there's scalpers just nailing some of these trades here, nailing some of these trades here, maybe buying this breakout, buying this breakout. But those are the trades that, yeah, I might make a few bucks here and there now, but it's not the trade that I'm looking to make the big chunk of money now, right? So I could have played it a little bit more aggressively. I just was scared of it flushing down, and this thing is moving fast, 10, 20 cents real quick. Didn't want to catch a flush, so I wanted for a big pullback. Never got it. You could tell. I mean, I scalped it there, and then I think I made 30, 40 bucks here, and then again here, this is the bigger pullback. I wanted this thing to pull back, get an entry here, and then recurl back up. This was still a winning trade, even though it didn't work. But I mean, now I think it's coming back up. Yeah, now it's coming back up, but it never had that big pull gap, never big consolidation like this right here, and then kind of flags right there. This right here, and kind of flags right there. As a matter of fact, it's about to break new high of day. It's going for 1703 now. I don't feel like trading it. So never got the trade. $70 on this thing. I'm okay with that. But being patient, being stubborn to say I'm not trading until I get my good setup is what's gonna make you successful. And that was a perfect example right there. Go back on the live stream, and all morning I was like, I want $16, $16, $16. Never found my trade. I just waited patiently, never got it. IMRA was a continuation from yesterday. IMRA yesterday was one of the choppiest stocks I had ever seen. This thing was breaking by a penny and then flushing, not flushing, but pulling back, breaking by a penny and pulling back. You see, I was trying it here, 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 here. High of days there, high of days here. Just trying it, just wouldn't break out. And today, this morning, it's like, okay, what is this? This was never seen yesterday. What is this? This was never seen yesterday. But I wasn't expecting that, so I didn't buy the dips on any of the stock. Kind of a breakout there and kind of a breakout there, trying to see if I hold that pivot left of 230. So brips out of it, pulls back down to 330. That's where I'm buying 231, 230, and then sold 32, 32. So very small scalps on here, $100. Nothing big, nothing major. Missed the bulk of the move, but I would have never seen it coming, so I had no idea. And then the big winner today was APRN, which I think was also the winner on Tuesday. APRN was a $300 winner, and today is going to be nearly $500 winner. Even though this one's choppy, in the morning I had a beautiful 5-minute setup that I was able to take on this one. Even though it failed, I still made pretty good money on it. And that is going to be this first one. This first one, stock pulls up with good volume. So look at the 5-minute, that's good volume sticks, and then it started pulling back, and it was this candle here that pulled back with lighter volume, and then this candle at the time had lower volume when I decided to jump in it. And so it starts pulling back, kind of back to this pivot here of $7, whole dollar, $7 pivot, and VWAP. And at this point, I'm like, you know what? I want to start getting into the stock. So it pulls back down. 707 is my first entry. The bottom of that candle looks like it's 705, 706. So I got 707. Good fill there. Pulls up a little bit, takes them out, and then pulls right back down. And then 704 on this candle, the low of that candle 702, got it by 2 pennies. Jumped in it with 5,000 shares on that one. Pops up a little bit. I think I get shaken out several times here, or not shaken out, but it pops up. I take some profit. Oh, no. Okay, so it popped down, and then okay, never mind. I don't remember because these things are all jacked up. So I had 4,000 to begin with, and then I take my profit out, and then it pulls back down, and I take 5,000, and then pulls back up, and I take a little bit off the table, and then it pops right back down all the way to the bottom, and I get in this time 702. I add 1,500 shares more, and then when this stock recovered, I bought those at 702, and then recovered at 707. I took those 100 shares out. So that was just a small dip recovery, pull back up, add on the dip, sell on the recovery. And at this point, this stock, everything was flashing green through these three candles right here. Time and sales was green, everything was green, but it just was not breaking out. So at that point, I just decided to take my remaining 3,500 shares. I think I had to stop somewhere down here at all of the low of these candles, and then ended up coming back down and stopped me out. But out of that trade right there, because I was able to add on the dips and sell on the tops, and even though it didn't break out, I still made $300 on that trade. It was kind of confusing to explain, but you can go back and watch the recap. Um, and then looking at the 5 minutes, we have these pivots where all of these candles are kind of stumbling around. We have this clean touch and these two clean touches right there. So that's three little candle wicks there plus all of this. Once stock breaks over that level, pulls back down, that's when I start sniping that low there, even if it's not quite the penny, but really close. I take my first entry, 1,500 shares. I sell them for a break-even trade, so I got shaken out of them. I was like, let me try to get a lower entry. So I got it at 717, sold 717, and then pulls back down, and that's when I decided to get back in at 715.4, 715.5. So I got a little bit lower entry by 2 pennies, but this time I was able to ride him back up and take him out on the way up. 721, 719, 722, 725, and 72. So I got that little bit of a move there. At this point right here was high of day 734, and we didn't break it right there. I thought this thing was going to break through 734 right there and go. Because it didn't break it there, I decided to stop at right away and avoid this. This thing honestly is still going. I did not expect this one as well. I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts, 7, 8, 9 attempts at 734. 9 attempts all through this area, and we could not break it. Finally, we broke out of it, and to me, it doesn't even look strong still. I mean, this thing should have broken out, pulled back to that level, pulled back to 734, and gone another leg up, which kind of did, but got stuffed again. So no trades there for me. I was completely done trading. So that is going to be it for today. Pretty easy, small day. Pretty easy, simple day. No red trades actually. Now that I think about it. Um, Clean trading on my end. I think I did a good job today. I was very proud about that APRN play, buying the low, selling the high, just turning shares while I'm still in a big trade. And even though it didn't work out, I was able to get a good trade. But that's it, guys. Like always, if you guys want to watch me day trade live, it is free right here on YouTube or tradecaster.com. Any questions you guys have about stocks, about my trades, my setup, anything like that, comment them down below. I am planning on doing a full setup video of my, just everything about my day trading stuff. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for that, but I just haven't had time. But I'll get to that eventually and try to make that for you guys. But anything else, you guys let me know. If you're curious about my course, I do have a link down below. You can see the whole course curriculum and see exactly what you're paying for. Any questions, come and ask me, and I'll give you a discount as well. Other than that, guys, I will see you on tomorrow's live streaming or on tomorrow's recap, and y'all have a good rest of your day.